I'll talk about primary colors today. These seem to be the regular primary colors, right? We have yellow, we have blue, and we have red. The classics. But they're not all of the primary colors. And also, if you hear dogs barking in the background, that is because dogs are barking in the background. That is my bad. My window is open right now. But let's get back to the primary colors. These seem to be the primary colors, but they're not all of them. That is because the colors that seem to be what they are actually the only ones being reflected. The more colors an object absorbs, the more dark or light it will be. Black will absorb all of the colors, while white reflecting them. So, why are these the primary colors while mixing paint? Let's say you mix blue and yellow. Well, they create green because both of them have green light in them, so it's going to be more prominent. Green is a little bit higher frequency, and violet doesn't show up because the human eye isn't as sensitive. So they both have green, and that's the highest frequency that the human eye is more sensitive to, so you're going to see green. If human eyes were more sensitive to violet, you perhaps might be able to see violet from mixing yellow and blue. All combinations work like that. Now, what about RGB? You've heard of that. This is subtractive. So we have green, blue, and red. Well, it's sort of the same concept. Take green and blue, you get cyan. It's a little bit obvious. You take blue and red, you get purple. And then you take green and red and you get yellow. This is the same reason as the previous example with blue and yellow. It's more dominant in yellow, so it's going to create yellow. Oh, well, YMCA. Not YMCA. I am thinking of the wrong thing. But yellow, cyan, magenta, and black. Well, this will also lead into my next segment on how to make your own primary color system. The thing is, this is all of the colors possible. So, if you have some corners for a triangle or any shape with more than one side, or more than a triangle that includes white or the center, you will potentially have a viable color system. If you make a line that crosses through it, the only possible colors will be on that line. But if you add an area, all the colors in that area will be possible. So that concludes my rant on primary colors.